Fastest way to create short videos for TikTok using Crayo AI. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I show you step by step the fastest way to create short videos for TikTok using Crayo AI tutorial. Crayo AI is a powerful tool designed to help users create engaging short videos quickly and efficiently. Whether you are new to video creation or looking to streamline your process, Crayo AI offers a user-friendly platform perfect for creating content for TikTok and other social media platforms. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of using Crayo AI to create short videos, ensuring you can start producing high quality content in no time. So why we use Crayo AI? First we have ease of use. Crayo AI's attentive interface makes it accessible for beginners. Speed, we have quickly generate videos without extensive editing knowledge. Quality, we have produced professional looking videos that capture attention. Efficiency, we have save time with automated features and smart templates. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your browser and dive into Crayo.ai. So this is the website. We have here the fastest way to generate short videos, because unlimited short videos at once, or to generate captions, effects, background, and musics for you. Here we have the homepage, how logs, homepage, projects, my uploads, video editor, generate story video, create an AI generated story video, generate voiceover videos, generate text to image video. We have all script generator here we have, so it looks like that. From idea to short videos in seconds. Create unlimited short videos at once, auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. Here we have 3 steps to follow if you wanna start videos. First we have write an outline. Start with writing script using a prompt or using template suggestion. We select first story topic, clockwork detective, guardian of whispers, journey to a fire. Select your story tone, funny, mystery, horror. You select also how much words you want. Then we have customize and style. Select background video, voice and music from free templates. You select your font style, the quick brown fox over. Select story background. Select your story background. William Mail. We have Henry Mail, Jason Mail also. Then we have finish and export. Choose export format and download. Generated video and script or narration. We have other information all in one tool for generating viral shorts using AI. Create unlimited short videos at once. Auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. We have here automate videos in seconds, auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. Auto subtitle, we have automatic AI subtitle generator, AI script generator. Start with writing script using a prompt or using template suggestion. You have background videos, select custom background from templates. You select the one you want. As you can see, there is here are various background here. There we have multi-purpose videos, create videos for different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikToks, and other options. Here we have AI image generation. Create AI images with your prompt, bring your ideas. Here you select the image you want. As you can see, you have your YouTubers. You select one of them. Here we have video editor. Edit your videos with full-fledged AI powered video editor and take your video to next level. Here we have video filters. Edit your videos and apply tons of filters. AI voice narrator. Bring your stories to life using our powerful AI voice narrator. You can choose William, Jason, Hannah. We have here female, we have email. You can choose the one you want. As you can see, here we have ultimate tool for social media growth. Create unlimited short video at once. Auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. So as you can see, we have here Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, fastless content, Reddit story, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. We have your Instagram Reels into exciting content by adding gameplay to keep viewers entertained. For TikTok video, have use AI to make money from the CBB program by creating entertaining content using Crayo. For slice content, we have create a video using just a script and create captivating content. Reddit stories, we have used AI to take a Reddit story and turn it into an AI generated video. YouTube Shorts, we have create YouTube Shorts using AI voiceover scripts generation to help you make content. Instagram Reels use AI creators on Crayo to make content for your reader than using your own face. Our customer asks we have created a limited shorts video at once to generate captions, effects, background and music for you. We have some comments for people can use it as information. Then we have here pricings. It's not price. We have here monthly, yearly. Let's start with monthly. We have here 3 plans. For a session plan, we have 19 for each month, 20 AI video, 25 scripts, 30 minutes of voiceover, 100 AI images. For Clipper plan, we have 39 for each month. Includes we have 50 AI videos, 100 scripts, 60 minutes of voiceover, 250 AI images. Pro plan we have 79 for each month. We have includes 125 AI videos, unlimited scripts, 120 minutes of voiceover, 500 AI images. That's for monthly. We have yearly. We have a session plan. We pay $160 for each year. Clipper plan 327 for each year. 600 for Pro plan. We have 664 for each year, not month here. We have for each year, as you can see. So let's get started right now. This is the home page. First we have Crayo here, dashboard, Crayo editor, my projects, my exports, my assets. Create we have split video, story video, text video, upload video, ChatGPT video, voiceover video. Tools we have AI images, AI voiceover, AI avatars, AI brainstorm, YouTube downloader, TikTok downloader. More we have affiliate, Discord, as you can see. Here we have edit short form in minutes, start creating, as you can see here. Then we have generate story video, create an AI generated story video, generate AI text to image video, create ChatGPT like image video, generate voiceover, make high quality voiceover in seconds. Popular apps we have split screen video, we have fake text video, AI avatar, as you can see. We have voiceover story, bullet, YouTube video. So you can just sign in and start your video, write your name, email, and you sign up and you pay. You can also sign up with Google, as you can see. So Crayo AI is an excellent tool for beginners looking to create short, impactful videos for TikTok. By following this tutorial, you will be well on your way to producing professional quality content quickly and eventually happy creating. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.